Hello children, let's begin our classes. In the previous class, what we have discussed about the definition of the family. What do you mean by nuclear family? What do you mean by joint family? What do you mean by single parent family? And peoples present in the family. And we call them as if the maternal grandparents and the paternal grandparents, if the fathers and mother are called as a paternal grandparents, and the mothers father and mother are called maternal grandparents. Okay, and we have discussed about the father's sister called bua and mother's sister called masi. Okay, this much we have discussed. And we have discussed about the family tree also, how to write the family tree, correct? Okay, so our next topic is, so above one picture fun time is there, no? I will give this one for your homework. Okay, you can write it later. Next, what does the family teach us? So we know that we are having a lot of funny things in the family, and family teaches a lot. So what does the family teach us? Let's see. When Saina goes to the Tania's house, Tania asks Saina to leave her shoes on the shoe rack near the door. So here Saina and Tania, both of them are friends. Okay. Once day what happened? Tania asked Saina to. Sania went to the Tania's house. Okay. So what she told her? Tania asked Saina to leave her shoes on the shoes rack near the door. So when she entered the house, so Tania asked the Saina. What she asked? She asked to leave her shoes on the shoes rack near the door. Okay. She explains that it is a custom in their family to remove the shoes and slippers that are worn outside and wear one of the slippers kept on the rack. See what she is telling. So leaving the shoes or slippers outside is the one of the custom of their family. So this custom is also followed by you peoples also, right? Yes, we are also leave our shoes or slippers outside the door because it is one of our custom. Correct? Because we want the slippers outside. So many dust particles are there in our shoes or slippers. So that's why. So we have to follow this custom. So Tanya is asking the Saina to leave her slippers or shoes on the shoes rack near the door because it is one of the custom of their family. Okay, most families follow the set of customs and traditions. So most of the families are following a set of custom and traditions. So which are they? Let's see. These are passed on one of the generation to another generation, and some common customs are given here. Let's see. First one, eating dinner together. This is a very important in the family. First one, eating dinner together. Yes, so during the daytime or during the night time, what happens? Everyone will sit together and we will have a dinner. Usually in the night time, everybody will sit together in the family and have a dinner. Correct? Next, celebrating the festivals and special days together. Correct? This is one of the important custom and tradition in the family. So we will celebrate the festival and special days together. We learn many things when we live in the family. Correct? No? We learn to care, share, be kind to the others, help each other and truthful. Yes, in the family, if any problems come means what happens? Everyone will help each other. Correct? Everyone will share and care each other. Correct? Our family is our first school. Yes, because we will learn the beginning in our school itself. Our father and mother will teach us many things in the home itself. That's why our family is one of our first school. Okay, our family is our first school because it teaches many things. Our family also teaches a good values like. So family is not only we will celebrate the festivals or we will take the dinner together, but also it will tell us some of the values. Okay, good values. Which are those? Being polite. So we have to be polite in the society. Okay, being respectful to the elders. So many elders are there in the family or in the outside also. So we have to respect them. We have to give the respect to the elders. Helping family members. Okay. Helping family members. Next, taking care of needs of the other family members. So we have to take care of the needs of the other family members. So these are the some of the important things that family teach us. Understand, dear students? So this is what does family teach us. Family teaches a very most of the customs and traditions. Not only customs and traditions, it also teaches some of the important values such as being polite, being respectful to the elders, helping family members, and take care of the needs of the other family members. Okay, let's move to the next one. Yes. See, here some of the questions are there. I will give it for your homework later. Let's move to the next one. New relatives. What is that new relatives? What is telling us? Let's see. New relatives. Tania's Bua is going to get married soon. Another member will be added to the Tania's family. Yes, Tania's Bua. Bua means our mother's. Bua means her father's sister. Our father's sister is Tania's father's sister called Bua. Okay, she is going to get married soon. So another member will added to the Tania's family. Okay, her husband will be the Tania's new relative. Clear, children? So Tania's Bua, she is going to get married soon. Another member will be added to the Tania's family. Okay, her husband will be the Tania's new relative. So see the picture. So she is the Tania's Bua. Okay, so she is getting married. So after marriage, his husband becomes the one of the new relative to the family. Okay, new relatives are added to our families from the time to time. When new relatives are added to our family, let's see. When the baby is born, a relative gets married, a child is adopted. Okay, some of them are adopted childs, right? So this is one of the way where the childrens are get adopted and where the new relatives are added to the family. Let's repeat once again. So new relatives means, see, when some of the events are happen in the family, new relatives are added to our family. So usually when the baby is born, okay, and the relatives is get married and a child is adopted. Okay, so these are the ways where new relatives are added to the family. I will repeat once again. Here Tania's Bua, she is going to get married soon. Another member will be added to the Tania's family. Her husband will be the Tania's new relative. Okay, new relatives are added to our families from time to time when baby is born, a relative is get married, and a child is adopted. Okay, so this is about how the new relatives are added to the family. Okay, next. Meeting family members. Meeting family members. Let's see this paragraph now. People who live in the nuclear family. So what do you mean by nuclear family? Parents and the children live together is called nuclear family, correct? People who live in the nuclear family meet the other members of their family on special occasions and festivals. See, so people who live in the nuclear family meet the other members of their family on special occasions and festivals. So what happens when the peoples are living in a nuclear family? They oftenly meet. So they rarely meet their members of the family during the occasions and festivals. For example, on Diwali, Saina's uncles, aunt and cousins come to their house. They put up lights and decorate the house together. So during the festival time, so what happens? The members of the family will get together. Okay, so they will enjoy together. They enjoy eating a special dishes. They enjoy eating the special dishes which Sania's grandmother prepares for all of them. Okay, they will enjoy eating the special dishes during the festivals. Okay, sometimes they also go on picnics together. So when they are get together during the festivals, they will go to the picnics together. Okay, Sainas look forward to the occasions when she can meet all her family members. So what happens? Sainas looks forward to the occasions when she can meet all the family. She is waiting for festivals because she can meet her whole family members during the festivals. Okay, so this is about when we will meet the family members. Okay, so next, whom do I look like? So whom do I look like means how I look alike with another ones. Okay, how I am looking. So let's see, what is that? Whom do I look like? Members of the same family resemble or look like each other in the many ways. It's correct, no? You are looking like your father or a mother or your uncle or aunt or your bua or your masi. Correct? So, whom do I look like means, so are you looking like your mother or a father or your masi or your bua or your uncle or aunt? Okay, so this is the resemblance of the members in the family. Whom do I look like? See here in this box, mummy, I look just like you, but you are much taller than I am. She is telling that she is looking like her mother. Okay, see here. Members of the same family resemble or look like each other in many ways. Sometimes they may have some habits too. So, in the members of the family look alike each other, and also some of the habits are also same. Sinus looks like her mother, but both of them have straight hair and black eyes. So how they look alike? So both of them are having a straight hairs and also having a black eyes. Okay, most members of sinus family are tall and they have black eyes. One of our aunts even has identical twins. Okay, so in the members of the family, most of them are looking very tall and they are, all of them are having a black eyes. Okay, and they are also having a identical twins. Twins means they look each other in all the ways. They are called twins. Okay, so this is the fact of how the family members are look alike each other. Okay, so see here, some of the facts are given here. Let's see. The features which are passed to one generation to the another generation is called heredity factor. So what do you mean by heredity factor? Means here Saina is look like her mother. So here what happens, the characters or features are passing from one generation to the another generation is called hereditary factors. Okay, twins are children born on the same mother at almost the same time. In many cases they are identical, look the same. So what happens, two children are born at a time to the same mother are called twins. Okay, and they look alike each other. Okay, here the fun time is there, so I will give it for your homework. Okay, so here one more is there, read and reflect is there. So we are here, this completes the chapter first, so we will recall the points that we are covered. Okay, so which are the points we are covered? A family is a group of people who live in the same house and are related to each other. Correct? No? Yes. Families can be a nuclear or a joint. Yes. Family tree shows a different generations in the family and how they are related to each other. Yes. New members are added to the family from time to time. Yes. So next, what we have discussed, we meet the other peoples of the family on special occasions and festivals. Traditions and customs are passed on from one generation to the another generation. Members of the family resemble each other and many have similar habits too. So from this lesson, what we have understood: importance of the family, types of the family, what does the family teach us, what are the customs and traditions of the family, and how the new relatives are added to the family, when do you meet our family members, and why we will look alike in the with the family members. This much we are discussed. So this chapter will teach us many things, correct, regarding the family, correct. Okay, so this completes the lesson, my family and me. Thank you.